What's going on, everybody? So today we are going to do a video on how to replace your battery on your vehicle if the store doesn't offer the correct battery for your vehicle. So we went to Walmart today. We're looking for a battery for our 07 Denali, and the one that kept popping up was the incorrect terminals. And by terminals I mean the positive and negative on the battery. So the terminals were reversed. So what I wound up doing is finding another battery the same size and voltage and everything, and basically it didn't say it was the correct battery for our car, but I made sure it was the same size, and then made sure the terminals were swapped. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Okay, so apparently I need to show people on how to diagnose your battery so that way you know it's wrong. Same issue that happened with the Lexus. The owner said it was a fuel pump, and really it was just a battery. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your key, get in the car, and try to turn over your vehicle. So you're going to get in, keys in the ignition. I have no power. See the voltage? It's kind of blurry. There we go. As you can see, your voltage should read 14 or more than 9. As you can tell, it's not reading. The doors are locking. Means your battery is either dead, bad, you got a bad alternator. Could be one of the two things. It's one of the two. It's going to be either your battery or your alternator. So first, we're going to start by replacing the battery. You can actually go to AutoZone and stuff to have them checked and tested to make sure it is your battery or your alternator. They can test that right in your vehicle. So you can go to AutoZone, do that, or Advanced. But I'm just diagnosing it myself, and I'm almost 100% positive it's just the battery, so we're replacing that first. As you can see, the battery is a little bit older. It's got corrosion on the terminals, and I was looking for the mark date to see when it was actually installed, and there is no date on it. They did not mark the date, which you can tell right here. They have the different dates and stuff. They did not mark that, so I have no idea when it was installed. So I know it's an older battery by just judging how it looks in here. I don't know if it's ever been replaced or not, but we're gonna replace it because that could be one of our issues. Yes, the alternator could be bad. This is your alternator. This also could be bad, but we're gonna diagnose it ourselves and do the battery first. So now I'm gonna take the battery out. So this is the old battery. This is the new battery. This has the positive terminal on the left-hand side, the same as the new one. I just judged off the battery they had at the store that said was the correct battery. It was not. The terminals were on the wrong sides. So I just sized it up and made sure it was close to the one and got the battery that was the correct size with the terminals on the right side. Okay, so before you get everything buttoned up, make sure you test the key to make sure you hook the battery up correctly, because I had to take off this bracket, which was over top of the battery, and would be very hard to get the battery back out and resituate it if it wasn't in there correctly. So make sure you test your battery before you get it all put back together. New battery is in and should start up. So we are gonna check that out real quick. So get back in, turn your key on, you should have power. You can see the amps go up. Power steering's back. There we go. So as an added bonus to the video, I'm going to be installing a new set of wiper blades on this 2007 Denali. Now this has actually some weird clips on it, and I've never actually dealt with these before. I don't know if anybody else has. Normally I'm used to the ones that slide on, but these things are kind of goofy and not really a fan. So I got a clip that snaps in, all this extra gizmo. Can't really remember how to get them apart. I had it apart yesterday. There we go. It's got these little plastic, yeah, there you go. These little plastic retainers right here. You gotta snap them in, and then this one forward as well, and it slides right out. Never dealt with them. This will be the first time. Okay, so it looks like they just slide in, and then these clips slide into place, and it feels pretty sturdy. I think that's it for that one. So let's move on to the other one. So this one, see, it looks like somebody broke these before. Ouch. Yeah, definitely been broken. Slide that clip off there. Rest it gently against the windshield. Good enough. Put it on. Snap into place. So that there is a quick, easy way to replace your wiper blades and your battery on your vehicle. These extra parts on here are for a different application. So as long as you get the correct wiper blades and the battery with the correct terminals that's around the correct size, it should go together no problem. Like I said, if this wouldn't have started up, or if the battery dies again, then we will be going after the alternator. But if that happens, obviously we'll be doing another video about replacing the alternator. So until later, see you guys next time.